This trading indicator offers an exceptional level of accuracy in identifying potential changes in market direction, making it stand out from other indicators available. It's remarkable for its ability to provide precise buy and sell signals without any repainting, meaning once a signal appears, it remains on the chart. The name of this indicator will be revealed at the end of the video. Stay tuned until then. Utilizing a blend of advanced algorithms, mathematical operations, and price action analysis, this tool generates signals with over 95% accuracy, giving traders valuable opportunities. By simply following the signals displayed on the chart, users can confidently execute trades. Before diving into trading with this tool, it's important to adjust some settings for optimal performance. Once configured, users will notice small triangles and large diamonds on the chart. The simultaneous appearance of both indicates a strong potential reversal point in the market. To capitalize on buying opportunities, watch for the appearance of a green triangle and a green diamond together. Conversely, a red triangle and a red diamond suggest a selling opportunity. Here are a few trades executed with the assistance of this indicator. This trading indicator is called the Midnight Hunter V.1. Give this indicator a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. We're always here to help you become a better trader. Until next time, happy trading.